Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door handle in a hot point refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillip screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door handle. The freezer door handle is mounted on the freezer door. It makes your life so much easier if you need to open that door. The main reason to replace the freezer door handle is if it's broken and won't stay in place or is missing. So this is the door handle we're going to replace, and there's one screw at the top and two screws at the bottom, the old 3 Phillips. To get there, I'm going to open the door, and I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take out 2 screws at the bottom. And now we're going to go to the top. All right, so we got the single Phillips screw. I'm going to take care of it with a Phillips screwdriver. And now we can pull the handle out. This is the old freezer door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And let's install the new door handle. It goes in this way. Top and push in the bottom. All right. All right, I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to put in a couple of Phillips screws here at the bottom. I'm not going to tighten them completely. And now I'm going to go to the top. All right, now I'm going to align the holes here. I'm going to push it in and move it slightly to the left. And I'm going to install the Phillips screw on the top here. And I'm going to tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. And now we can tighten these 2 bottom screws. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.